Wait, okay, have you seen the thing where they do like the nugget bouquets and stuff? Roses are gonna die, but those nuggets are gonna fill my soul, so. I'm Bonnie Portillo.
And I'm Nicole June, and we're wearing black because we have dark souls.
Beautiful. How'd you do that so quickly? I'm an excellent twacer.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.
What am I tying to what?
I genuinely don't think, I think they're too small. I don't think I can tie them. I think, like, just you try one, just to see. Like, I don't think I can do that.
Art is stupid.
I genuinely don't think I can do it. Okay, now that I got one, I'm feeling better, and I feel like I can maybe do the.
What is this? Look, I can fit my chin in it.
Oh no! One of my ties came off!
Along the side, it's so beautiful. Look at that. So pretty. And then you get to this ugly butt, like, yeah.
Okay, I'm frustrated again because I can't get this final piece to make it cute.
That's what I did.
The final part of the craft is a little bit difficult. After you have put everything together and tied it around, it's cute, but we didn't really account for the top here.
I just have this giant hole where the stuffing can get out, and so my dogs will love it.
Yeah, look, I have one too, see?
Oh.
Yeah, mine's bigger. But other than that, they're pretty cute, right?
Yeah, I still plan on giving mine away.
To a dog.
To my dogs.
Wait. Boom, boom. Boom, boom. Boom, boom.